Good evening. How are you? I think all is good. Friends, today we discuss our physics important chapter are surface energy. First of all, it is a BSc first sem. Surface energy is main important of chapter. We can say main part that what is a surface. We know what is a first of all of you what is surface. The surface energy of the liquid in a state tension tends to decrease to surface area when the area of surface increased. That we call work is done of surface. That we call it with this is a surface energy storage when that's energy stored in surface. That's we call it surface energy. You know, when I store it in any store it, that we call is energy. That's energy. We know what is the surface energy. That's we first mainly important for what is a relation between surface energy and surface tension. Surface tension. We know what is the surface energy, or what will we know what is the surface energy and surface tension. That's first will we consider in a wire frame ABCD. This is a wire frame. This is A and B is a movable. That's a dash B dash. It is a movable part. We consider to ABCD, and this is a dash and B dash is a movable. It is a movable. That we call it AB. That's we call it 2L. It is a L. L is the length of AB dash movable dash. We know it is a B dash. It is a B. It is a distance for B dash and B. L is our length. The first of is we can consider that a film is with when the energy is good for A, B and C, D. It is a wire frame. That's energy got into it is a B dash. That's we know it is a length. Mainly it is our length. When 2 times is a good, it's divided 2 parts L and L. That's we call in 2L. We call 2L and 2 length. We can say 2L as a length. It's a non-important. First off is what is the work done. Have we know when we do the work and not work. First off we know how work. What is work? Main important है. That we first off the work done. It's a work done 2L. L divided 2 parts is 2L into main importance 2L into L. It's a 2L. And that's called into L. A 12 into B. It's a B is our parts. That's a work. It's a B. That 2 work done is a 2L into B, L into B. That increase. It's the increase parts. It is our increase part. That increase to decrease. It's the increase part. That is decrease part. Increase area, that's 2 into L into B. We can say delta. Then increase, that's we call to delta. Delta 2 into L into B. The work done of per area. Have a full part. Then called it's a work. That what is a work? It's a work when it is our delta. It is our A. That's A dash and A dash. So we call W is equal to delta of A. When this time we say all is the work done, but we know the have a main important what is a W is equal to main of the delta of A. It is our delta of A. That we call W is equal to delta of A. It is a delta. Delta is given for here. It is give for delta V. that will w upon delta of v. अब when a w is a work, it's a work done. That's our small v. It is a b is taken for here,